Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how we can install Anaconda for Windows. Anaconda is a platform which has applications such as Jupyter Notebook and Spyder, and we'll be going through the steps of how we can install this to our PC. So, first of all, come to the anaconda.com website, and once you're there, press on free download. Now we're on the download page. You can see we have a register or sign in to download, but we can actually skip this by pressing skip registration. Okay, now we can download. So there's the different installers for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. To make things easier for ourselves, we can just press this download button up here. So that downloads the right one for our specific OS. And now we just wait for it to download. Okay, so now it's done. Let's open the exe file. Okay, welcome to the Anaconda setup. Next. So yeah, here's the license agreement. I agree. Installation type, so I'm going to be doing just me, and here is where we choose the installation location. So I'm happy with this destination folder. If there's somewhere else where you want to put it, then you can go and browse and select the right place, but I'm happy with here. So next. Okay, so now we have some more advanced installation options. So the first one is create shortcuts, which I'll keep because that makes things easier. The next one is add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. So if we were to do this, this means that in command prompt or PowerShell, we can run Anaconda commands. Now, this is not recommended because this could lead to conflicts. For example, I already have Python installed on my platform, so I can already run the Python command in command prompt. But now if I was to add Anaconda, which also has Python as one of its commands, there will be conflict. But the good thing is we don't need to do this because Anaconda comes with its own Anaconda Prompt, which is basically like command prompt, but designed specifically for Anaconda. So if we wanted to run any Anaconda commands, we could just do it there. So we'll leave that unchecked. The next one is register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.12. So since I already have Python 3.12 separately, this has automatically been unchecked. But I think if you didn't, then it would be automatically checked. So because I already have it, I don't want to check this because I don't need to. But let's say you don't already have Python on your platform, then it could be a good idea to keep this on so that the Python that comes with Anaconda will just be your default Python. The last option is clear the package cache upon completion. I don't really care too much about this, so I'll just leave it. Okay, let's install. Okay, now the installation is complete. Okay, next again. All right, so yeah, we want to look at the Anaconda Navigator. So we'll keep launch Anaconda Navigator on. We don't need this option though. And finish. Okay. Won't worry about this update. Won't worry about that. And yeah, we can see here's all the applications that Anaconda brings. So you can see some we already have, like Notebook. You can tell because it says launch, and then there's other stuff like Pygame, which we don't have, which says install. So let's have a go running a program in Notebook to make sure everything's working. But we can make a new Python file like this. And then, okay, let's write print hello world. And it works. Okay, let's try import something. Try import Pygame. Does that work? No. So this is because we don't have it installed. So we can do that by opening Anaconda Prompt. We can do that from here, or we can just write in here Anaconda Prompt. So we don't always need to come to the navigator to be able to open any Anaconda application. So then we can write pip install Pygame. And there we go. Pygame is installed. Let us now see if it works. And yes, it works. So I hope that this video was useful. If there was anything that you didn't understand or need further clarity on, then please feel free to write in the comments below. If you liked the video, please drop a like, subscribe for more content. And if you want to see more content around Anaconda and things like this, then please let me know as well. Thank you for watching.